Hey guys, so right now we're going to enter Flower Dome, which is over there, to see the Chinese New Year flower display. So let's go! So we're finally inside the flower dome. As you can see, there's so many Chinese New Year decorations. Like, look at that, there's lanterns there, and there are like big flowers here. It's definitely different from when we went here last time. So if you guys want to see how it looks like last time, go check out our previous videos. So this year, can you guys guess what year it is? It's the year of the ox. Right now, it's still the year of the rat. So we have to wait until Chinese New Year when it will turn to the year of the ox. So during the Chinese New Year, we are still under the pandemic, so we can't usually have the normal celebration of Chinese New Year that we usually have. So we can't go to many houses, and also we cannot gather with many people. But they're still keeping up the tradition of Chinese New Year by decorating the whole entire flower dome, and also people are still giving out angpaos. Hey! 恭喜发财, give me angpao now. Okay, bye. Also, before we continue, please subscribe to us. It will mean a lot to us. So as you can see, at different parts of the flower dome, they put many posters of the different animal zodiacs. Look at these colorful flowers, so pretty! These are date palms. Whoa! Spiral tree, cool. Purple and yellow flowers. Unique! So colorful! These are camellia sinus. Wow! Oh, look! Giant. Con, si New Year, con, si